Remember what is XOR? Rather exclusive OR? Remember its truth table? It looks like this, right? Whenever P and Q are such that one of them is 0, one of them is 1, only then you have a 1. Otherwise it's always 0. Now extending this to 3 variables, XOR is defined this way. So P XOR Q XOR OR will simply be first compute P XOR Q and then for the resultant you compute XOR OR. So write down all the truth tables. PQR, 8 lines. So P XOR Q will be what? 0, 0 will give me 0. Again the next line has 0. Next one has precisely 1, 0 and 1, 1, so it's 1. And then again 1 here because you have a 1 and 0. 1 here because you have a 1 and 0. 0 here because you have 1 and 1. 0 here because it is 1 and 1. Now, what is P XOR Q XOR R? Right? So you take this and XOR P XOR Q with R, these two entries. 0 XOR 0 is 0, 0 XOR 1 is 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 and 1. Right? Now you see, when you have 3 ones you're getting a 1, when you have 2 ones you're getting a 0, 2 ones you're getting a 0. When you have a single 1 you get a 1, 2 ones again gives you 0. I'm going from bottom to up. When you have single 1 you get a 1, single 1 gives you 1 and no ones gives you 0. Okay, please note, whenever you have a single 1 you get a 1. When you have precisely 2 ones you get a 0. When you have 3 ones you get a 1.